The 4Recovery project is part of Fairfax County's multi-pronged opioid response strategy. Through this effort, individuals who have experienced a non-fatal overdose are connected to post-overdose follow-up and support services. This cross-agency effort aims to decrease the likelihood of future overdoses and improve the quality of life for community members with opioid use disorder.
Once we're able to save them, then I can start to make that conversation happen and make that initial contact of, hey, we have this program, there is help available.
The police department, much like the fire department, when we respond to an overdose, our primary goal is to ensure that that person receives medical attention.
It's so important for us to get in there, to let people know there is a way out.
We know that a person that has overdosed is at greater risk for subsequent overdose. And the ultimate goal is to prevent further overdoses and potentially fatal overdoses.
It's almost like a three-pronged attack on everything, right? So we can get people at any level. Police if they're first on scene, us if they're first on scene, and people in the background that connect you with the proper channels that you need, whether you need to talk to someone or just reach out to someone.
Fairfax County Fire and Rescue partners with Fairfax County Police Department and the Community Services Board. It's the 4Recovery initiative, and we partner together to refer patients that we encounter to their peer outreach response team for connection to resources for recovery.
So the Fairfax County strategy to combat the opioid crisis includes many layers and many areas, one of which is the role of the police department, but secondly it is to ensure that victims and their families receive important information, treatment options, and resources that they may not otherwise know.
A majority of people we come across are just not aware of these services that exist here in the county. So when they find out that they have these accesses, they have avenues for treatment, that they can go out and get the help that they need. They don't have to worry about insurance and things of these natures. These are services that are provided to you by the county. The people that are here are willing to help.
It's very gratifying to work with the first responders, to work in collaboration, to know that the youth are safe and that it's confidential and that the legal issues that they might be concerned about are not a part of staying alive.
I do not tell them what to do. I find out what they want to do and how I can assist. I can let them know the different pathways of recovery that are offered, and I can help them connect to those pathways.
Typically when someone overdoses, they don't have the knowledge of how to reverse this and they need to call paramedics. This is a way to help the individual before paramedics arrive.
Our role in this is so unique, and to see just how effective it is. One more life saved is a win. That for me is a win.
One of the most important messages that I'd like to convey is that those impacted by the opioid crisis are victims.
Somebody help me. Somebody help me, and I am forever grateful for that help, and that's why I help others. Yeah.
The message is there's hope. At the end of the day, that's what this boils down to. And I just want to encourage people and try and communicate some hope that there is recovery and that is possible.
This video illustrates the partnership in place to connect Fairfax community members who have encountered public safety for a non-fatal overdose to CSB for support and treatment services. These services are available for those directly impacted by substance use addiction, as well as for family and friends. For more information on the wide range of CSB services available for people of all ages who have substance use disorders, mental illness, and/or developmental disabilities, call CSB Entry and Referral.